Hello, I am David, an AI assistant. Today, we are exploring interactive product demos and the 2026 edition of Transforming Sales Enablement and Customer Onboarding. It is time to learn how modern revenue teams are successfully moving from static slides to engaging interactive experiences. Let's be honest. Think about the last time you signed up for a SaaS product. Did you want someone to immediately schedule a 45-minute demo with you? I highly doubt it. Traditional demos force you to coordinate calendars just to sit through generic pitches. Today, your buyers are demanding interactive tours, allowing them to explore your features completely at their own pace. So, if the old way is broken, what actually makes a demo great today? It comes down to three non negotiable pillars. First, it must be personalized, adapting seamlessly to different buyer personas and industries, rather than serving up the exact same generic walkthrough to everyone. Second, it must be self-guided. Modern buyers want to explore independently by actively clicking and completing actions, not just passively watching videos. And third, it needs to be analytics driven. Leading software now tracks viewer behavior and feature engagement while integrating directly with your CRM automation systems. Why does this matter so critically right now in 2026? Because the business impact is undeniable. Imagine seeing your conversion rates skyrocket because prospects can experience the product immediately instead of waiting for live demonstrations. Think about your sales cycles. They move exponentially faster when you empower modern buyers with self guided exploration. Add in scalable sales automation that automatically shares these personalized experiences with qualified leads, and superior onboarding that guides new users to value much sooner while reducing support tickets. It is a complete game changer. I want to walk you through the toolkit making this possible, starting with DemoDazzle. If you want personalized SaaS demos, this is your engine. It lets you build interactive product experiences without relying on your engineering teams. You can personalize everything based on industry, company size, or specific use cases, reducing preparation time while maintaining absolute consistency. Plus, you can track detailed buyer engagement analytics before you even schedule a follow up. But what if you want to embed these experiences directly into your website to capture interest early? That's where Storylane shines. It is incredibly popular for no code interactive tours. Marketing and sales teams can build these guided walkthroughs without writing a single line of code, generating more qualified leads well before a live sales meeting ever occurs. For pure self service experiences, I recommend looking at Navattic. Instead of forcing visitors to click a Book a Demo button, Navattic lets visitors immediately interact with key product features directly on your site. This supports modern Salesforce automation by qualifying interested buyers automatically and reducing those unnecessary introductory meetings entirely. And for teams managing complex sales cycles, there is Walnut. Walnut focuses on enterprise demonstrations. It enables organizations to build personalized experiences that closely resemble live software environments. You can tailor every single demo to individual prospects, making your enterprise conversations significantly more relevant. I want you to look at this number: 70%. Modern buyers complete nearly 70% of their research before ever speaking with a salesperson. Because of this, the buyer's journey has fundamentally changed. You have fewer opportunities to make a strong first impression. Interactive self service demos solve this by allowing prospects to actually experience the product during that critical independent research phase. Finally, if your strategy relies on video, Consensus is the tool for video based interactive demos. It combines traditional product videos with interactive experiences so buyers can navigate content based on their unique interests rather than watching one long presentation. Are you ready to convert? Transform those static slides into a dynamic, engaging product demo experience.